Last week, we crossed over 15,000 views on a single video, and to celebrate this, we are hosting a giveaway. You will be entered in a draw to win a 1000-piece jigsaw puzzle. All you need to do is hit the subscribe button and leave a comment in this video on our YouTube page. Link to our YouTube is given in our description. A winner will be chosen on 10th of July and it will be announced on our Facebook page. Let's get right into this week's Brain Cruncher, the number challenge. For this brain teaser, you will get 20 seconds. But as usual, if you need any more time, feel free to pause the video. Are you ready? Let's get started. What's so special about this number? Your time starts now. Let's start with a hint. Can you find a relation between the number and its corresponding letter? This is simply the numbers from 0 to 9 with the names arranged in ascending order. So for example, 8 starts with an E and 0 starts with a Z. We hope you like this video. For more mind-boggling puzzles, don't forget to like and subscribe to Brainy Bunny.